Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious homemade dish called chicken egg wrap. First, season the minced chicken with oyster sauce. Pepper. A bit of seasoning. And salt. Mix everything well until the chicken is evenly coated. Next, crack 5 eggs into a bowl and beat them evenly. Now heat up your wok and also bring a pot of water to a boil. Add some chicken stock into the boiling water to create a flavorful soup base. Once the wok is hot, pour in a bit of the beaten egg to form a thin layer. Then, place a spoonful of the seasoned minced chicken onto the egg and carefully wrap the egg around the chicken. Let it cook until the egg is firm. Repeat this wrapping and cooking process until all the chicken is used. Then, transfer the wrapped chicken eggs into the pot with chicken stock and let them boil gently. This ensures the chicken is fully cooked and adds extra flavor to the soup, which you can enjoy later. And that's it. A tasty bowl of chicken egg wrap is ready to serve. Enjoy your meal and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.